Today I am going to share some important phrasal verbs with you with their meaning and examples. The first word is breakdown. What does mean breakdown? To stop functioning, a function which can not work properly. Example, my car broke down on the way. The second one is give up. Give up means to stop trying or to quit. Don't give up your study. You have to continue your study. You should not stop your studying. The third one is turn into. Turn into means to meet someone unexpectedly. When we meet someone suddenly, which we did not see him or her for a long time. So we use this for that. I ran into my old class fellow last day. The last one is turn down. What does mean turn down? To reject an offer or to reject request. He turned down the job